Hello, my friends and family. Thank you for joining me today on another video. And I'm going to do something a little bit different today. And probably do this going forward. I kind of like this stuff, and I'm going to start. I normally don't use Yelp, I use Google for reviews. So, going to go ahead and review this place. I am eating here at the worst reviewed McDonald's here in my area in East Ridge, Tennessee, with a 2-star overall rating. Go ahead and cue the intro. Okay, let's go ahead and read a couple of these reviews. You can see there's a 2-star rating. Well, the first one is a 5-star. Cottrell was very professional and supportive with explaining the combo options to me. He was very knowledgeable about the menu, and his customer service skills were superb. Here's a 4-star. Thank you, McDonald's, for a safe place to eat and a clean restrooms. 24/7 usual fast food, all done well and a pleasant place. So, alright, so 2-star. Okay, now here's a 1-star. Was refused service by cracked out workers. Oh my. Hope they get some better staff soon. This was like 4 months ago. 11 months ago, here's a 1-star. Inconsistent hours. Seems like one of the largest companies in the world could at least post the correct hours. Alright, one more time. And this is another 1-star. Spit in my food. Came into store at 6 p.m. on August 13, 2020, and ordered the double quarter pounder with cheese meal. There were about 3 people, all black, and that's besides the point. Working the store. I'm white. I'm also wearing a mask. The staff do not have their masks. I guess it was during COVID that time. Except for the window person. I didn't get a receipt for some reason. Later, I got back to my car and examined the bag more closely. Oh, I saw why the staff inside weren't actually wearing their masks, which were tied on, just not covering mouths and nose. I also saw why I did not get a receipt. There was what had to be spit lining in the entire outside bag over the inside of the hamburger box. Ew! Now, if you enjoy having spit on your food for being white or black or not black, I say, well, apparently this guy has some racial issues, and we're not going to get into that. He did post a picture. Let me see. That doesn't look like spit. That looks more like maybe a soft drink leaked on a bag or something. That's just my opinion. So, yeah. So that's some of the reviews, and that last one was a little suspect. But most of them are 2 stars and 1 stars. So let's go and start with what I had. I had placed an order through the app, drive-thru order. Picked it up in the drive-thru. In my area, there's a special going on through the app where you get a. This isn't even what it should have been a McDouble. Okay, yeah. All right, here we go. A McDouble. With fries, a Coke, and 4-piece nuggets. Okay, got it. And I was supposed to get a sauce with my nuggets. And I didn't get that. And here's the nuggets. Fries dumped all over the bag. So the server at the lady at the drive-thru wasn't too friendly. No ketchup for the fries. Fries were soft, warm, not hot. I paid $5.53 for it. With tax, and didn't get everything. Oh shoot. One of my nuggets had just fell and on my floor here. Throw that one away. So basically, in the nuggets, from what I can see, they're warm as well. They're not hot. They're just warm. White, tender, crispy. Too bad I didn't get my barbecue sauce. Alright, and then you give me napkins, but I have some. Coke. Coke is a McDonald's Coke. Really good, fresh. Alright, this is a McDouble. Two very thin burgers, patties. I told them no mustard, which they got that right, and no onions. Ketchup. So let's go ahead and dive into the burger. Bun is soft. I'm gonna take one more bite, just the burger. Piece of the meat. That's what I thought, yeah. They just started serving lunch. It's 11 o'clock. And it was at 10:30 when I got here and placed the order. And it tastes like it was sitting in there for a couple hours. So, I can see why they got a 2-star average rating on Yelp. 31 reviews. It's gonna be rough, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head back to the house, get on Yelp, and I'm gonna write my Yelp review, and I'll share it with you on a video. Right now, as I'm feeling it, I'm feeling a 2-star. Yeah, a 2-star. And out of 100, this whole experience is probably going to be one of my worst ratings since going from 1 to 5 to 1 to 100. It's going to be at least a 40 overall. Burger was okay. No ketchup for the french fries. The french fries were warm. They wasn't hot. They were soft. The only saving grace was the Coke. Nuggets were crispy, but no barbecue sauce. So, yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and take it to Yelp. And I hope you enjoyed that new intro. Let me know in the comments what you liked, if you liked it. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and take this to Yelp. Thank you for watching, and I hope you. Let's just go ahead and take this to Yelp. I went to this McDonald's because I read the reviews on Yelp. I wanted to try it for myself to see why the reviews was so negative with a 1.8 overall rating. I can see why. First, I ordered right at 10:30 when lunch was starting. I ordered a special through an app and picked it up in the drive-thru. Didn't wait in line. But the older lady at the pay window wasn't too friendly. I picked up my order with no wait at the pickup window. She was nice, but didn't say a whole lot. I went to eat my food, and here is where it goes bad. The double cheeseburger tasted like the meat was sitting there for about an hour or two, but it was correct the way I ordered it. The fries were warm, not hot, not cold. I looked in the bag and lo and behold, no ketchup. No ketchup or barbecue sauce, which I had requested. One more note on the fries, they was tipped over in the bag, so I had to dig for them. 4-piece nuggets was the same way, not too hot or cold, just warm. They were crispy though, but I couldn't enjoy it because I had no dipping sauce. The only saving grace was the Coke that I had. It was cold, not flat, and had that perfect McDonald's Coke taste. I'm still willing to go back and give them another try just because it's the closest one to my house, but I have eaten at other locations with far better outcome. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments if you like that kind of style. I'll do a little bit more of those. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. And also let me know what you think about the new intro.